The crackdown against illegal drugs remains a big challenge for the PNP. Nunez tells us why.
2 weeks after assuming the top post in the Philippine National Police, PNP Chief Police Director General Ricardo Marquez said the crackdown against illegal drugs remains a big challenge, especially since the PNP has yet to establish a permanent anti-drug unit. Marquez explained that at present, the PNP aid sought is only an ad hoc, meaning without regular existence, and therefore receives only a limited budget from the government and gains no support from its international counterparts.
Yun ang isa sa most challenging dun sa mga utos ko, the battle against drugs at the barangay level.
PNP aid sought Chief Police Senior Superintendent Benjamin Lusad thanked Marquez for supporting the move to turn the aid sought into a permanent unit, responsible for addressing the massive security threat posed by illegal drug trafficking and abuse in the country.
We welcome so much and we thank so much the Chief PNP for backing us up, for supporting the move for aid sought to be eventually an AIDG or an anti-illegal drugs group. It is high time actually na mag-level up na yung organization natin.
The PNP leadership boasted the successful operations of the PNP aid sought against illegal drugs. PNP aid sought Legal and Investigation Division Chief Police Chief Inspector Roque Merdiguilla enumerated some of their operations despite the small budget it receives yearly, amounting to nearly 36 million pesos. These includes the series of raids at the Antipolo clandestine laboratory in Antipolo, where over a ton of shabu with a value of 6 billion pesos were seized in 2004. In 3 shabu laboratories in Davao, where 6 Chinese drug lords were killed in 2004. The Jackson D Syndicate at the Parañaque clandestine laboratory, where half a ton of illegal drugs was confiscated in 2005. The Albert Chin Drug Syndicate, where 434 kilograms of shabu worth 3 billion pesos were seized in Subic in 2013. The Sinaloa Mexican Drug Cartel in Lipas City, Batangas in 2013, and the Agapo Drug Syndicate in Masbate, where 2 former politicians were involved just this year. Merdiguilla assured the public that the PNP aid sought will be able to conduct more anti-narcotics operations once this will be turned into a permanent unit.
Lalawa kami, magkakaroon kami ng probinsya na magmo-monitor, makasama na rin yung mga stations. So kung kailangan nila ng pondo, siguro at least makakapagbigay.
Nunez reporting for Y News.